how to use Onepay at Walmart. To use Onepay at Walmart, begin by downloading the Onepay app from your device's app store and creating an account. Once registered, link your preferred credit or debit card to the Onepay wallet. For in-store purchases, inform the cashier that you'll be paying with Onepay, open the app, and scan the QR code displayed at the register to complete your payment. For online shopping, select Onepay as your payment method during checkout on Walmart's website or app and follow the prompts to authorize the transaction. By using Onepay, you can earn points for your purchases, which can be redeemed for cash back if you have a Onepay cash account. Additionally, Onepay has partnered with Klarna to offer installment loans for Walmart purchases, providing flexible repayment terms ranging from 3 to 36 months.